The headlight switch is located on the lever on the left side of the steering column. To turn on your front parking lights, taillights, license plate light, and instrument panel lights, turn the headlight switch to this position. To turn on the front headlights, turn the switch to this position. All other lights will stay on. To turn on your high beam headlights, push this lever forward. You'll see a blue indicator light illuminate. Pull it back towards you to return to low beam. The blue indicator light will turn off. To make your high beam headlights flash on and off, pull the lever towards you and release it. If your vehicle is equipped with the Intelligent Auto Headlight System, you can preset the headlights to automatically operate based on exterior lighting conditions. To activate this system, move the headlight switch to the auto position and push the ignition switch to the on position. To turn the system off, turn the headlight switch to any other setting. The Intelligent Auto Headlight System will also keep the headlights on for a period of time after you push the ignition switch to the off position. There is a light sensor that controls the system on the top of the instrument panel. Keep this area clear of papers and other material. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.